We got Crybaby.
And Gumby Jean.
And Gubby Jean. How you doing, Crybaby?
I'm fine.
This is your, let's see, right buttock area in general, right?
Right.
And you've got a tag, a big old skin tag here. How long have you had it? We were debating about that, right?
Yeah, about, best I can figure, about 3 years.
A few years ago that you noticed. It could have been there smaller.
It could have been.
But we just don't know, do we?
No.
Okay. Has it ever bled or anything like that?
No, it gets sore.
Just gets sore if you rub it too much?
Yeah,
Like if you're wearing tight pants, right? Yeah, I would imagine. Well, we're going to snip this off and put a few stitches in for you.
Okay.
Does that sound like a lot of fun to you?
I'm a little honky-dory.
You're honky-dory about it? Can I get a 4x4, please, man?
Yes.
Well, you're awesome. All right, little cold spray coming.
Uh-oh.
There it is. Ooh, I have not done anything.
I don't know, but it burns.
That's good.
It burns.
Little stick, sting, and a burn. Now you're going to feel a little burn. You're allowed to scream at me if you want to.
I don't feel that. I felt that cold
You
stuff.
felt the cold spray. It surprised you, didn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's more surprising than anything else. And this should work just almost immediately. Yeah.
Yeah.
A little bit more in. Got a little bit right here, so we'll use it. Giving that back.
Got a core or something like a core around it.
I was actually going to use a 15, but I can use an 11. So we're just going to gently lift this up, and we're going to make an incision and remove your little pal here, Crybaby. Why'd you want your nickname to be Crybaby?
Because I don't like needles.
Well, that wasn't so bad, though, was it?
No, the spray was worse.
Yeah. Well, guess what?
Is it off?
Your giant skin tag is gone, and I'm going to put a stitch right where we removed it so that this doesn't bleed much. It might bleed a little bit. Actually, we could get away with using a little clotting powder, but I'd like to just be on the safe side because there is a lot of friction between this part of our body in general and our jeans. Make sure that we have a little bit better bleeding control.
Do you know my name?
Did it bleed?
No bit, not bad.
You cutting? This might ooze just a wee bit, Crybaby.
Okay.
Okay. If it does, put a Band-Aid on it.
Alright.
I wouldn't worry about it. That wasn't that bad, though, was it?
No. Did you put a Band-Aid on it?
We're about to.
There for you.
I got a sharp here I want to hand off to you. Thank you so much for letting us video your procedure. You're awesome.
No problem.
Bye.
So we're just going to gently lift this up, and we're going to make an incision and remove your little pal here, Crybaby. Why'd you want your nickname to be Crybaby? Action.
Hey guys, I'm going nowhere. Medicine video's coming right up.
Okay. No, we're going. Okay, come on. Tell us about Meta 7, for real.
I love it. It really does. It helps me focus. It gets me going. Wakes me up a little bit in the morning. It doesn't give me any jittery kind of feeling. Yeah, it's just kind of makes me feel balanced, not sleepy, but not too awake, not like a caffeine rush. I just feel good.
Makes you feel natural.
Yes.
Makes you feel alert and
a
awake.
natural, happy, alert, yeah.
Yep.
It keeps me focused on anything that I'm working on, tasks at the office, things at home that I'm trying to get done. I feel like I'm able to get more into my day.
Good, that's awesome, thanks.
You're welcome.
If you'd like to get an extractor kit of your own, we did some looking around and came up with this one. It's compact, has steel instruments that won't corrode like a lot of the cheaper sets, but the price is very reasonable too. Good variety of tools and just an all-around solid kit. Use the Amazon link below and it ships quickly from the US. So you won't have to wait long before you start popping. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button. We've got new content all the time.